Alright, now we're going to grab the 10,000 ohm resistor, so the colors would be brown, black, orange, and gold. We're going to take that part, we're going to bend the legs over like that, and this part is going to be located right between those two inner black holes down here. So the one on the far left is open and the one on the far right will be open. So go ahead and push that down, get it so that it's seated as best you can. That's pretty flat. On the other side, you just want to bend the legs over a little bit, like that. Okay. So, seated like that, legs over a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and solder and trim. Again, securing this down to the table will probably help make your soldering a little bit better. Got one. Two. Trim them off at the top.